So you're getting ready to write that estimate for the customer for a set of loaded struts for a vehicle. What else do you need to add onto that order to increase your profitability, but most of all, add value for the customer? Well, there are 2 items you need to inspect and add to that repair order. The first thing that you need to inspect, it's the sway bar link on the vehicle. A vehicle typically has 2 of these, and over the time that old strut has been on the vehicle, well, it's taken a beating. So it's critical that when you replace the strut, you also look at that sway bar link, because typically it's going to be attached to the strut. So you need to make sure that the link itself is not overly rusted and there is no play in the unit. But it's always a good idea to replace these along with the strut, just because if the customer experiences any noise, typically it's going to be the sway bar link. Another way to add value to that estimate and the eventual repair order, well, is to make the vehicle adjustable. When you install brand new loaded struts, you have the opportunity to install alignment components and kits that can make the camber, caster, adjustable on the vehicle. This is typically for front suspensions. Sometimes for rear suspensions, if you're changing the strut, you could add a special toe link that will add a little bit more adjustability to the vehicle. These could be on the strut mounting plate at the strut itself, or up at the top of the strut at the mounting hat. This is particular for Ford vehicles. But adding this, well, it adds value also down the road when the customer needs to have the vehicle aligned again. So just remember, look at the sway bar links and also look at the adjustability of the vehicle. This way, you could put things on that estimate and the eventual repair order that's going to add value for your customer. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.